No, in my borough, I'm organizing an event. It's called Future Fair, where I'm trying to promote the STEAM subjects for our young children in my borough.
Okay.
That will be in March, and so I want them because this is the main thing is to celebrate the different achievements.
Yeah, well, it's all technology.
It's on the cost as well.
Yeah.
Maybe just there. I like to express myself. I write
Oh, hold on.
The engineers and production.
Oh, hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? I like this little time machine.
So I think this is